the very lowest level of alternatives is supported decision making, which is usually like asking family and friends to interpret or giving someone more time to think about things. Sometimes involves a case manager. The next level up above that is like a power of attorney, where you give someone the authority to manage your finances while you are still alive and able to. And then along with the power of attorney is a healthcare directive. So that gives someone else the authority or the power to make medical decisions for you. And then if all of those options don't work, then the very highest level is where the court appoints a guardian to make these decisions for you. I think the biggest one is that a lot of people think that the person under guardianship loses all their rights and that they can't make decisions for themselves anymore, but that's not the truth. The ultimate decision maker is the guardian, but before the guardian makes that decision, they have to consult with the person under guardianship. So they have to ask them what their preferences are, what they would like, and then the guardian is the one who makes that decision. But the guardian still has to consult with the person under guardianship before making those decisions. So usually it's a social worker or a family member, maybe sometimes someone from the hospital who meets with a person and they think that this person can't make decisions for themselves. So then they fill out a petition and they file it with the court. There's a hearing, and then if the court decides that this person needs assistance, then they will appoint a guardian for the person. So this process, depending on which county you're in, it can take anywhere from a few months to several months. So one thing that I've seen that a lot of people forget to mention is that when the guardianship is supervised by the court, so it's not like you are appointed and then they let you go free. They will monitor the guardianship, and the guardians are required to file at least one report annually, telling the court how the person is doing and giving updates about the person. So that's an important part of deciding whether you want to file for guardianship, is if you are able and willing to do those annual reportings. Because if you don't file them on time, or you just don't file them at all, you could be charged some fines by the court because you're not fulfilling your responsibilities as the guardian.